Hi guys, in this video you're gonna learn how to get virtual credit card on Wise app. So first you need to tap Wise app, then tap the card at the lower left corner, and then in my country our cards aren't available yet, but to have a credit card on Wise app online, you need to go to accounts, choose digital card where it says get a digital card instantly to spend securely online or in store. Then tap get a digital card. So it says spend online and in store, spend in store with Apple, have a peace in mind, and instantly replace your card details. Tap get a digital card. After that, it will say your digital cards ready to use. Then tap got to my card. And that's how to get virtual credit card on Wise app. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the notification bell to notify you to our next tutorial.